Hey, this is James. Okay, now I'm going to go over how to do an image ad on Craigslist, and there's a couple advantages to doing image ads on Craigslist. First of all, they kind of stand out a little bit. Okay, and also Craigslist doesn't like you to use certain keywords. There's some keywords like make money, home-based business, um, stuff like that they don't really like you to use. So in an image, whenever you do text in your image ads, Craigslist cannot read or see the words in your image ad. They can only see the size of your image. So that's one of the advantages to doing image ads. You can really say whatever you want to say. So first, let's look at one. They kind of stand out too because they have in the they have the image next to it, the orange IMG. Okay, this is actually one of my image ads. Okay, I just posted it, so you kind of see how it can look. And this is also a clickable image ad. So if you click on it, it's actually going to go to the site. Okay, so Craigslist cannot actually read the words in this. So I'm going to go ahead now and just go ahead and exit out of here. I'm going to show you how to build an image ad real fast using Microsoft Paint on your computer. Everyone has Paint, so it's very easy. Just open it up, open up a new file. You can do File, New, and then hit the A. It stands for text. And so then what I want to do is first go ahead and enlarge this box here, and then I'll take this mouse and just make the size of what I think it's going to be. And then over here you can choose your font and the size of your font. If that doesn't show up on your screen, just click View and then check Text Toolbar. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go into how to make the actual image. So I'll just go ahead and type mine real quick. Okay, and you can do a couple different things. You can either put the name of your domain inside the text, inside the image, or you can put a link outside the image, like below the image on Craigslist, or you can just make your image actually a clickable link. So I'll kind of go through all of those scenarios here in a second. So what I want to do is just go ahead and click outside the box. Okay, and then I'm going to actually shorten it up a little bit. And what I want to do is just hit Save As, and you can save this anywhere, it doesn't matter, just as long as you remember where it's at. Okay, I already saved it. Now I'm going to exit out. I'm going to go to PhotoBucket. If you don't have an account, just hit Join Now and just fill out the information, sign up for an account. It's very easy. I'm not going to go through that. I'm just going to log into my PhotoBucket account here. And just 1 second while it's taking its time. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Browse, and I'm just going to select my image that I just created, and then I'm going to hit Upload. And you can give it a new name if you want to, no big deal. Okay, then I'm going to scroll down after it's complete, and I'm going to hit Always Skip This Step. Okay, and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to actually click the box that says HTML code. Okay, when I click my mouse inside that box, it's automatically going to copy it. So now I'm going to go ahead and exit out of PhotoBucket. Go ahead and get that out of the way. And I'm going to have my notepad file open. And I'm going to go ahead and paste what I just copied from PhotoBucket right here. Okay, that's what I just copied from PhotoBucket. This is the actual code that you're going to want to use and post on Craigslist. Whenever you're posting your ad, this is what you're going to put in the box for your ad description. So how we're going to do this is come down here to the second HTTP link, and this is the one that you want to copy right here, all the way to where it says JPG. You're going to hit copy, and you can hit Control C to copy, and then come up here and replace this link right here Okay, there we go. That's how we did our image. Now right here, this is where you want to put your website, where you actually want the image to go to whenever people click on the image. So this code right here is for if you want to do a clickable image where you can post the image, people click on the image and go to your website. If you do not want your image to be clicked on, I'll show you what you can do. You actually just take this part of the code out, okay? And then this code right here will just post your image on Craigslist, and it will not be clickable. People will have to read your domain and type it in, or you can have a link underneath the image, however you want to do that, okay? But we're going to stick with this one up here, and I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to Craigslist, and I'll go ahead and post an ad so I can just kind of show you how easy this is. Okay, and I'm going to go to sales, I go to post, I'm going to go to I will abide by these guidelines, just kind of go through the steps here. Okay, now whenever I get here, I'm just going to go ahead and just put a random posting title. Okay, I'm going to put the HTML code there. Now also I'm going to go ahead and put hidden text in this ad, okay? So I'm going to do a line break. This is a code for line break. Basically just puts a couple spaces in between your lines. Okay, and I'm going to go down here. I'm going to get the hidden text, okay? I'm just going to use one we have earlier. Now I'm going to use this code right here. This is another code you can use on Craigslist to make your text hidden. So I'm going to input these codes in the document for you guys so you can have them and use different codes. So now I'm just going to copy. There we go. And I'm also going to show you what it looks like to put a link. Like if you didn't want your image to be clickable, what you can do is actually just put let's put our blogspot right below it, and I'll show you how this works. Okay, I did the video on how to do a blogspot redirect. You can put the blogspot link right there, and then I'm going to show you how this looks. Okay, just fill in the information, hit continue, and there we go. We have the ad. Okay, so now we see our title at the top. This is the image, and it's actually clickable. If you hover your mouse over it, it'll actually take you to the website. And also we have a link here because I put the link below the image as well. And then we also have the hidden text right here. And you see how that works? So then all I would do is come over here and put in the captcha image, accept the terms and conditions. Now you can do this logged into an account as well, or with an auto poster. Now I just did it not logged into an account just for sake of time. So that's how you do that, and hope that helps, and we'll talk to you soon.